Understanding Statistical Models, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic in the world of data and numbers: statistical models. This concept is not just for mathematicians or data scientists. It's something that can be understood by anyone with an interest in how decisions are made using data. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of statistical models together. A statistical model is essentially a mathematical framework used to understand and analyze relationships within data. Think of it as a tool that helps us make sense of complex information by identifying patterns, trends, and connections. It's like using a map to navigate through a city. The map, or model, simplifies the real world into understandable elements. Every statistical model has two main components: the data and the model itself. The data refers to the information we observe and collect, like survey responses, temperature readings, or sales figures. The model is the mathematical equation or set of rules that describes how different pieces of data are related. For example, a model might tell us how temperature affects ice cream sales. There are many types of statistical models, each suited for different kinds of data and questions. Two common types are: 1. Regression models, used to predict a value based on other variables. For instance, predicting house prices based on their size and location. 2. Classification models. These models categorize data into groups. For example, determining whether an email is spam or not spam. Statistical models are incredibly versatile. They are used in various fields such as economics, to forecast market trends; medicine, for predicting disease outcomes; environment, in weather forecasting; business, to understand consumer behavior. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing world of statistical models. They are powerful tools that help us make informed decisions in almost every aspect of life. Remember, statistical models are all about finding patterns in data to better understand our world. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating realm of data and statistics.